Folks, you're looking for off-road tires with a big axles, big solar system, inverter. Well, this is what is behind me. It's a brand new 2026 Forest River Noble 20.2 Beast mode. Let's focus, because this trailer, I have it two ways. I have it in a classic and I have it in a beast mode. The beast mode, always look at it. What are you gonna get in beast mode? BM, what are you gonna get? You're gonna get the off-road tires with curved suspensions, and you could see if the cameraman come to the other side, he will show you the big suspensions with the shocks and the springs. And this is called beast mode. So you're gonna get upgraded axles, upgraded shock and springs, off-road tires. Also, you're gonna get 400-watt solar panel on board. That's a big, so there's actually two panels on the roof, totaling 400 watt. Plus, you're gonna get a 2,000 watt inverter. So these three items separate the beast mode from the classic. That's separated from 400 watt solar panel, curved suspension, independent suspension, the one with a shock and spring, as well 2,000 watt inverter. Now, you're gonna get all the features of Noble. What is the features of Noble? Gel coated cap. So this is a full cap, not just they take this metal and they go all the way. No. So this is a gel coated cap with a nice orange LED light, automated window in the front. That's a beautiful about Noble. If you notice from the ground, the unit sit off ground. Why? Because in case if you take it to off-road, you could take this unit, no question asked. You have also pass-through storage with aluminum frame. Here's the outside grill. So it comes with outside grill. The other day, a question asked me, does come with the grill? Yes, it does. Where's the grill sit? Right here. This is the rack where the grill sit. Where's the LP connect? Underneath, right there. So come with outdoor grill, come with LP connect, come with outside shower, hot and cold, and come with the hose. So you have a hot, cold, and the hose go here, and you could rinse your hand, rinse your dog, rinse your feet before you walk inside. Come with outdoor speakers. There's one over here, one over there. Nice big power awning. The power awning, it covers complete whole entire trailer with LED light, a floodlight. So LED light on the awning as well floodlight. We supported with endless hot water heater, the Suburban, and in the back you have the most important thing, the off-road tires, the Leopard expandable ladder prep, backup camera prep. So please, ladder prep, camera prep. And you have the class 2 receivers. It's right here. And again, you could move it and put a bike rack, put a tray. You could pull a small boat if you can. Or a lot of people, they put a bike rack or a tray. Sandy flush, black. I love this sensor light. Notice when I get close, the light is on. So when I dumping my tank at night, I could see the black and I could see the 3-inch valve. That's the black. The 1.5 inch, that's the gray. 4 stabilizer jack, and come with the socket for your cordless drill. City water connections. This is the table. The grill will go outside. Beautiful. Pass-through storage. This is amazing. You have a window, you open it, and you could see the whole outdoor outside. So when you barbecue, you could tell the wife, could you pass me some chicken? Or the wife should tell you, I need some salt and pepper, and you just grab it and give it to her. But the purpose of this one is really nice when you go on the beach. If everybody camp on the beach like in Pismo, you wake up in the morning, you're sitting here as you and your significant other enjoying a cup of coffee and enjoy the view. And if you want a fresh air, you just pop that window and give you fresh air. You don't want to get the bug, privacy is right there. You don't want to see the bugs, it's right there. So you have both screen as well privacy. But the beauty about this one, where's the camera coming inside, is that you have multi-function in this area. So the cameraman came in. Thank you. I really appreciate it. He been with me all the time, and he put up with me all the time. But look, the beauty about this one. People, they say, did this trailer, the 20.2, has slide out? No, it doesn't have a slide out. But look how roomy it is. Look how big it is. Look what I'm doing with it. I have 2 seating area on a 20.2, where normally you get 1 seating in some other brands. So you have a nice bench with a closet cabinet. They don't even waste space. They give you a cabinet right here, 2 bar stools, and then again you could close this one if you want privacy. I show you. Now I have full privacy. I mean, you could use it as the office. Again, it's up to you. Put your laptop here. There's a plugs, and go work from your from camping. So get camping at the same time working. I mean, it's amazing. Privacy. There's a privacy. No one could see nothing. But it give you also, which is people they don't see. This is multi-function theater seating. Wait a minute, you confuse me now. You say multi-function theater seating sofa. Yes. Why? Because if you take these 2 pieces, I want to show you. Now, to customer, they're going to look at it. Yeah, it's a sofa, 3 seat. No, it's a sofa. I could sit 1, 2, 3. Or I could make a theater seating by dropping this middle console, have my cold drink, I'm a skinny guy, push myself to the back. Well, if you're a big guy, you will go back more. You could push this one here more, so the wash you could pass. Here, I push it all the way. Wow, where's my drink? I'm thirsty. Enjoy the movie. You and your significant other have your nice glass of wine and enjoy it. And no need to have a slider and worry about motors and slide and this. No need. So you could see 2 here, 2 in there, and as sleep at this trailer sleep actually 2 people. This is 2 people coach if you want to look at it. But if they bring somebody, they could sleep them here, but they don't have to. But you could sleep 2 people here if you want to, like this. If it is not, then it's 2 people trailers. But the point is, you have a theater seating with the middle console and turn to a sofa by raising this piece if you want a more seating. Also, if you want to sit on that theater seating and enjoy some popcorn, you know, me, I love when I watch a movie, I put my plate of popcorns, my drink, and eat, drink, and watch a movie. Or I could use it as additional eating area. She serve you a sandwich, you eat your sandwich while you're sitting in the theater, or you could use that piece, the 2 bar stool with the counter as a dining table. So it's multifunction. But that's the beauty about this one, the theater seating as well, sofa as well, eating. And again, you could spin them and use them. They give you plenty of storage, a lot of storage. Also, if you're gonna tell me now, I like some privacy. When I bring somebody to my chair, I don't want them to see my bedroom. No problem, no problem. You have that, you have that. Give me a minute, please. Here, I could leave my bed messed and I don't have to fix it. Voila. So full privacy. Now, in the kitchen, I love this Noble cutting board or sink cover, or you could use it as backsplash, multifunction. Nice rise faucet, either the waterfall or you do like that. Cup rinse. I mean, that's what I like about Noble. They give you everything. There's nothing left. More place, more storage, cooking pan, more storage and more silverware. Just a second. Yeah, it's brand new. Air fryers, convection microwave oven, and microwave. 3 burner range. And then you have a beautiful 10.7 12 volt refrigerators. Again, no worries. You have 400 watts solar on the roof, 8 bigger AC. And ladies, you got your pantry. Pantry, closets, whatever you want. And a central vacuum inside the pantry. So you just get your dirt this way, you open it and suck the dirt. And you have, what guys? Niall, what always say about this counter is the appliances counter. Coffee maker, my espresso, my margarita mixer, place for my cups, It's like, this is a coffee station. I drink a lot of coffee, so this is my coffee station. Or some people, they can say, this is my bar. I put my bottles, my glasses, I do mix my drink. I have nice window. I could put more drink here, more accessory for my drink. I mix it up and hand you the drink. It's amazing. Now let's go to the bedroom. And again, we're still in a 20.2 feet trailers and no slide out. People, they say, wow, it's roomy for no slide out. You walk in and you get everything you ask for. Nice queen bed with the window in the front, with a headboard, a lot of closet, a lot of storage. TV hookup right there. You could put 32-inch TV on a bracket. A nice closet both way. I love it. And then there's a place for plugs for CPAP machines, USB plug 110, and they supported with that shock bed. And you have plenty doors for socks, underwears, and so on. So all there. And then they ask me, a lot of customers, they ask me, where's the switch for the inverter? It's right here. This is the switch for the inverter. You turn it on, and this go on, and then these certain plugs, they will run off 110 from the battery. This is all your goodies. And I want to emphasize this. It has the tire monitoring, touchscreen color display for tire monitoring system. Come with the unit, and it's already on the tires, so you can see the temperature. Come with that. This is the hose. This is the hose of the outside sprayers. The one I told you come with that finish, power cord, central vac accessories. All this stuff we store here for you, waiting for you. Nice trailer. I love it. I love it. I love it. Why? Because it's so roomy, and it gives me my theater seating and my nice outdoor living with a lot of windows. And I'm gonna take now show it to you when the all windows is open, how it's bright it is. And then we're gonna go to the back, and I have my beautiful bathroom. Love the two-tone. Place for towels, medicine cabinets, sink with a faucet, rise faucet, sensor light. Love it, love it. There's any bad comment for me on this trip. There's everything roomy, and the fantastic fan. What amazing. Good job, Noble. Keep the good work. You guys impressed me with this floor plan. And again, we're gonna support you by giving you a price. And you guys, our model, low prices, good service, before and after the sale, and one main goal, which is drive me nuts when other dealers, they charge you get ready package, dealer prep fees. What's at Best RV? Nothing. Unit wash, clean, prep, minimum 2-hour orientation to show you how to use everything and operate. And not just talking. We're gonna show you fridge open, put your hand, getting cold. Here's how it's working. Working? Good, check mark. Next, we do a full inspection, and all this work, my guys, they work hard before to make the unit ready for you, and they work with you to show you everything's work. And all this work, $0 from your pocket. No hidden fees, free get ready package, free dealer prep. Come to Best RV and save thousands of dollars on this unit. Coming in.